The adverb. A word which qualifies a verb is an adverb. Look at the following adverbs. The rabbit runs fast. In this sentence, fast describes the verb runs. Look at the following adverbs. The army fought bravely. In this sentence, bravely qualifies the adjective brave. Look at the following adverbs. The train runs very fast. In this sentence, very fast describes the adverb fast. Kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of place, adverbs of manner. Adverbs of degree, adverbs of affirmation and negation, adverbs of reason, adverbs of interrogation.